Alright guys, welcome back. This is Olusola, as you all used to know me, and in this particular video I want to show you a simple tool I use to remove background whenever I'm working. A simple tool. Of course, we have so many of these tools. We have so many of them. You have remove bg, remove.bg, but this particular one is the one I'm using and I can vouch for them. Now guys, what is the name of this tool? They call it Photoscissors. But the first thing you want to do guys is to open your browser, come to your URL bar and type Photoscissors. Photoscissors. Scissors. Let's see if I get that spelling right. I think my network is okay, I think I got it right. Photoscissors.com. Photoscissors.com. This is the website here. So what this website does is it helps you to remove backgrounds from pictures. You understand? It helps you to remove backgrounds from pictures. We have so many other sites like that. We have remove.bg, which is widely known among people, and this Photoscissors too, people use it. So guys, let me open it in a new tab. Let's see how this particular website works. Let's see how it works. I think I'm having a little problem with my internet. Let's see. We have other ones too. We have erase.bg. We have not similar web. I know of erase.bg. I know remove.bg, but let me see. This is actually taking time to load. Photoscissors.com. Why is it taking much time to load? Okay, let me check from my other browser. Actually don't know why it's taking much time to load. Let me check from my other browser. Photoscissors.com. Probably there's something going on with the websites for now. Okay, I think it's back. This is my Google Chrome. Let me close the edge. It's back now guys. So this is the website here. I actually don't know why it took that long to open, but it's here already. So this is the website, photoscissors.com. Photoscissors.com is actually still loading. So when you want to use it, it might not take this long to load. I actually don't know. Maybe it's my internet connection that is giving me this error. Okay, it's downloading now guys. So the next thing, you can decide to log in, you can sign up with them, and if not, you can actually work with the free mode. So you upload the image, or you drag and drop. So let me search for an image. Let me use this image. Let me use this particular image. You upload an image like this and it automatically crops, not even crops, it automatically removes the background for you so easily. And it also gives you an option to edit yourself some areas you want to you want to unerase, or some areas you want to erase. You understand? So it's loading. This is actually a new interface. It was not like this before. As you can see how this something is. As you can see, look at it now. I think this image, let me use the old editor. Back to the old editor. So this is it. These areas are not captured well. These areas are not captured well, probably due to the texture of the image. But I'll be trying another image now, so you can see. So you can see this is common among the tools. This is common among the tools. So let me try another one so you guys can see now. Let me try another image so you can see. Another full image. Let's see this. Let me see this new image. Go to the old editor. I want the old editor. I'm used to this old editor. So guys, as you can see, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. So it crops out the picture itself and leaves the background, as you can see. So like I said, this is one of the tools I use, and I'll be sharing more of these tools. I'll be sharing more and more and more of these tools that I use, that has been making my work easy for me whenever I work online or whenever I design a website. So guys, with that, I think I've come to the end of this video. You can try the site, make use of it. Some other sites you can have like 2-3 of them, because the way they remove backgrounds differs. Some sites will remove the background and you can still see the traces at the background behind the picture. You can still see the traces of the background, like you saw the other time as I was trying to crop my own personal image. You saw the kind of error I experienced. So some other websites might bring that my picture out and leave the background. So you can have like 2-3 of them like that, so that you don't get you don't get cornered, so to say. You don't get cornered, or you don't get left with no options. So but this is the one I use often, Photoscissors.com, and it has been working fine for me. As you can see, this is the image here. So guys, I've come to the end of this particular video, and make sure you are always doing great. Stay tuned.